Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade Beyonce easy method. Start by juicing about 6 lemons to yield roughly 1 cup of juice, and save some zest for aroma. Make a simple syrup by heating 1 cup sugar with 1 cup water until clear, then cool. Combine syrup, lemon juice, and 4 cups cold water, taste and adjust sweetness, and serve over ice with a sprig of mint. In this video, I will explain how to balance ingredients for lemonade Beyonce easy method. Pick ripe, thin-skinned lemons for maximum juice and aroma, and zest before juicing to capture oils. Warm 1 cup sugar with 1 cup water until dissolved to make syrup that blends evenly with cold liquids. Start with 4 cups cold water and taste, then add more water or lemon juice until you reach a pleasant brightness and sweetness. In this video, I will review how a little sound can lift your lemonade Beyonce easy method. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free timers into your kitchen and pairs perfectly with a pitcher of lemonade while you cook. I like using timers and playlists to pace steps and keep the mood light. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you present lemonade Beyonce easy method like a pro. Pour lemonade over large ice so it stays cold longer without watering down quickly, and garnish with thin lemon slices and a mint sprig for aroma. For a fun twist, substitute 1 cup of still water with sparkling water for bubbles, or rim glasses with sugar for a sweet first sip. Offer a straw and a smile when serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.